By the end of the video, we'll know about 30 minutes HIIT workout, high-intensity interval training for all levels. Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a high-intensity interval training workout that's perfect for all levels. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your journey, this 30-minute HIIT workout is designed to get your heart racing and your muscles burning. First up, we've got the classic squat. This exercise works your quads, glutes, and hamstrings. Remember to keep your torso upright and your knees tracking over your toes throughout the movement. Next, we're moving on to push-ups. This is a full-body exercise that targets your chest, triceps, and shoulders. Make sure you keep your core engaged and maintain a straight line from head to toe for maximum effectiveness. Now it's time to jump rope. This exercise not only boosts your cardiovascular health, but also works on coordination and balance. Start with a comfortable pace and gradually increase speed as you get more comfortable. We're switching gears with mountain climbers now. They target your core, shoulders, triceps, and hamstrings, while also increasing your heart rate for maximum fat burn. Remember to keep your body in a straight line as you perform this move for best results. Lastly, let's finish with some burpees. This full body exercise hits every muscle group in the body, while also raising our heart rate for an intense cardio workout. Keep in mind that you can modify these if needed by leaving out the push-up portion of the exercise, if necessary, or performing knee raises instead of jumping up from the start position. Remember to always listen to your body and modify as needed for best results. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and helpful. Subscribe for more amazing workouts that help you achieve your fitness goals. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.